Hey guys, what's up? This is Shuri from eGadgets for you, and this video is about the gadget news that has been going around the corner of late. As you have seen, I'm just making this particular video so as to keep all of you updated with the latest trends in gadgets and all the happenings in the gadgets industry that has been going around for a while. So let's get started. The first news in this particular segment is the launch, or so as to say the official confirmations and the rumors and the input from all the tipsters about the launch of the new Samsung Galaxy A series 2017 models on 5th of January. Now mind you, there is a CES event from Samsung on the 5th of January, and it has been noted that the Galaxy A series of the 2017 models will be unveiled and launched in that particular event. With the Samsung Galaxy A series, we are talking about the Galaxy A5, the Galaxy A3 and the Galaxy A7. Now mind you, in the 2016 model, all these handsets, what they have done is that they had restored the build quality so as to say that the metal and the glass protections from the S6 Edge and the S6 variant as well. It won't be any dissimilar in this year also of 2017. The A3, A5 and S7 will follow suit the design and the make build quality of the S7 Edge or the S7 as well. Now from a specs department, the Samsung Galaxy A7 will run on a Samsung octa-core Exynos 7880 chipset. It will have a 5.7 inch of screen. It will support full HD display, so has a resolution support of 1080 into 1920 pixels. It will have a 16 megapixel shooter both at the back as well as at the front with a focal aperture of f/1.9. So that's definitely a great boost to the camera department from Samsung Galaxy A7 as well. Now for the Samsung Galaxy A5, it will have this 5.2 inch of screen. It will support full HD display, so it will have a same resolution of 1080 into 1920 pixels. It will run on the Samsung octa-core 7880 Exynos chipset, and also will have a 16 megapixel shooter at the front as well as at the back. Now for the smaller variant, the Samsung Galaxy A3, it will sport a 4.7 inch of screen and will support a HD display. So the resolution support in this particular device will be 1280 into 780 pixels. It will run on the Samsung Exynos octa-core 7870 chipset as well. Now all the three handsets will have a Super AMOLED display, and the main USP in all the three handsets that are rumored to get is that IP68 certification. So that means all these handsets will be dust resistant as well as water resistant too. So it remains to be seen in the 5th January announcement from Samsung how the devices will turn up, and I will try my best to get all the three devices and make a unboxing and the review videos for those handsets as well. So please remain subscribed for that. Now the next news in this segment is the launch of the Xiaomi Mi 6. In my last video, or so as to say, as per the last tipsters or the gossips going around the corner, it was rumored that the Xiaomi Mi 6 would be launched in April. Now the only reason at that time that they have cited was that the production of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chipset that will be used in the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Edge as well as a Mi 6, the production were on a low. But as of now, as per the latest rumors, or so as to say the latest tips from any tipsters in the official websites of Xiaomi, what we have found out is that they will launch the Xiaomi Mi 6 in February. What Samsung is saying is that they have produced the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chipset in a plenty to be afforded or to be accustomed in the Samsung Galaxy S8, S8 Edge and also the Xiaomi Mi 6. So remains to be seen that whether officially the Mi 6 will be launched on February of 2017 or not. Stay subscribed for that. I'll give you all the latest news regarding the Mi 6 in this segment as well. And it brings to the last news of this segment, that is after the 2 months of rollout, global rollout so as to say, of the Android Nougat, the Moto G4 and the Moto G4 Plus has started getting the Nougat updates from yesterday as well. Now this handset as launched in India, the Moto G4 and the G4 Plus, you will get a notifications in the notifications panel that will say you to update to our system software. But if you don't get the notification, then also nothing to worry. You can go to settings, about phone and check the software update or check for updates over there, and it will prompt you for the updates to happen. Now mind you, you have to make sure that your G4 and the G4 Plus has at least 50% of charge, and it will also say that it will take 20 minutes to install that particular software. So once all things are in place, there is no worries and no issues. You can go ahead and update your G4 and the G4 Plus to Nougat 7.0 as well. That's it. I hope this video helps, and if you want more such videos and you want to get notified of more such videos as well, please don't forget to do that while subscribing or going to my channel. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button as well. That's it guys. Bye for now.